Yes guys, welcome back to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be making a poi lentil and soya mince bolognese. This is a perfect spag bowl that you can have throughout the week, and definitely one that will always match up to any of its meat alternatives. Let's do this. So we're going to start with a sofrito that we're going to blitz up into a paste and going to cook that off. So we're going with one large red onion, which you're going to top, tail it, take the outer skin off and then get that in the blender. As well as going with about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Again, peel them, top and tail them, whack them in. Take the top and tail off your carrot, put it into smaller chunks and get it in. And then a couple small celery stalks, again just slice it up into chunks. We're then going to blitz that off so it's a smooth paste packed full of flavour, and then we're going to fry that off in a pan. Alright, so there we have it, our sofrito paste, the carrot, garlic, onion and celery. I also put the oil directly into here to help it blitz up a bit, so that can just go straight into a hot pan. Get it mixing around, fry it off a little bit. If you didn't want it, you don't have to blend it straight down to a paste. You can keep some of those chunks in there. So that's that, keep it frying off. There'll be a bit of steam coming off of it from the water in those vegetables, and then just keep mixing it until you can properly smell that onion and garlic flavour coming right out. So now that sofrito paste has cooked off a bit, the onion and the garlic's cooked out so it's not quite as sharp as it would be raw. I then went in with 500 grams of pre-cooked lentils, so you can just cook them dry or you can buy them pre-cooked. So I just went in with that. And then you can also use soy mince instead. So that's a soy-based product, which is amazing if you want to get the meat replacement in there. I just love the bolognese with the lentils because it still packs all of that protein and it just feels a bit more natural. So you can go with this, let the lentils sort of heat through. They're already cooked, so you just need to get some heat through them. And then we're going to go in with quite a bit of chopped tomatoes, leave that to simmer down. And then if you were going with dry lentils in here, you'd leave it for longer in the chopped tomatoes so it can absorb that flavour and cook through. With cooked lentils, it was just a quick meal. We're going to whack in the tomatoes, season it, let it reduce just a little bit. Again, same with the soy mince, it's sort of the middle range between cooked lentils and dried lentils. So now that the lentils have just warmed through, we're going to go in with 4 tins of your chopped tomatoes. So that's 4 400 gram tins. So 1.6 kilos. Just get it all in there and then mix it up, get it all about, and then you just want to leave it to cook off for a little bit. So you just want to season it as you go with a bit of salt, and then we'll add all of the fresh herbs at the end so then you don't lose the flavour of those herbs. It will go the whole way through the bolognese. So now that we've got almost everything in there, we're just going to leave it to simmer down for a little bit. Seasoned it with salt. And then now, just leave it on a medium heat, just to cook down and reduce, so then all those lentils can absorb the flavour. Just gonna leave that for about 20 minutes or so. So now that we've let our spag bowl just reduce down a bit, it's a bit thicker, more saucy, we're now gonna go in with a load of oregano. So dried, if you had fresh, then that's perfect. A load of oregano. If you think you've put in enough, you haven't, you want to keep going until you've got that beautiful oregano flavour through it. Same with some Italian seasoning, so basil and parsley as well. And then also season it with salt until you get that flavour. Keep tasting it, adding more herbs as you need, a bit more salt, and then it will be ready to serve up. Boil some spaghetti off. Not going to teach you how to do that, you all know how to make just plain spaghetti. And then we're just going to mix it up and serve it up, and it'll be a beautiful dish that you can easily enjoy. And there you have it. My vegan poi lentil spag bowl ready. Simple, easy meal that you must try out. If you haven't already, subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at chef_Hampshire. Hit the like button below, comment what recipe you want to see next. Thanks for watching, like, share, and peace.